Hi, welcome to Branding B360 Knowledge Club. In this video, I'm going to give you tips on creating your first campaign. To run an ad with Amazon, you must create a campaign. Each campaign contains one ad type and allows you to grow your ads by budgets, dates, and within themes such as specific seasons or selected lines of products. Decide on a monthly budget first, then determine the daily budget. Be aware that your budget for sponsored products and sponsored display will add fast. So, a $25 daily budget will ramp up to $350 after 2 weeks. Always set an end date for your campaign. Don't leave campaigns open without an end date to avoid burning through your advertising budget without realizing it. You can extend a campaign by updating the end date. Choose automatic targeting if you are unsure about keywords. That way, Amazon will generate keyword and product matches related to the product in your ad. If this is not your first PPC campaign, opt for manual targeting instead. Select one distinct product per campaign. If your product includes variations, for example, different colors, you can use a single campaign to list all of those. Choose keywords that fit your budget. Low traffic keywords won't have as much competition for bids, making it easier to win the auction. Learn the difference between bidding strategies for sponsored product campaigns. Amazon offers 3 bidding strategies for sponsored product campaigns. Pick the one that works best for your objective. You can use dynamic bids down only, dynamic bids up and down, or fixed bids. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Hit that bell icon and subscribe button so that you won't miss our new videos.